welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you don't know me, my name is Ari and I love to do all things clean and decorate, as well as DIYs, organization, and family content, and so much more, you guys. So make sure to stick around if you love those type of videos. Today's video is going to be super exciting. We are doing our fall decorate with me part 2. And I can't wait for you guys to see how I decorated my kitchen as well as my living room. So let's get right on with the video.
I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song, walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours.
So once I finished giving all of my coffee bar items, as well as the surface, a good wipe down, it was time to put everything back in the order that it was before. With my stovetop, I wanted to remove all of the dirt first and then go in with my little knife blade that I got in a kit from Amazon. It is specifically for my stovetop and it works great, and I have been loving this whole kit.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young.
So guys, this is my version of a pumpkin. I know for Valentine's Day I did a heart when I did my clean and decorate with me video, so I wanted to try a pumpkin, and my pumpkin was not the cutest. I did try it a couple of times again when I was cleaning it off, and I thought this was really funny, but I wanted to be cute and make a little fall pumpkin for you guys. So when I started cleaning the oven door, it already looks clean, but that's because I forgot to press record when I was filming that clip, so I went ahead and went over it again just to show you guys.
We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves.
So I really love to decorate for fall and for any holiday really, but I wanted to know how many of you love to decorate or have decorated, or you don't care to decorate. Either way is fine, you know, it's really all about whatever gives you joy and makes you excited, and I really love everything fall and all of the pumpkins and cleaning for fall. So comment down below telling me what's your favorite part about fall, and letting me know whether you've decorated or are not decorating this year. My favorite part of fall would be decorating and shopping and pumpkin spice lattes and all of the things. So yeah, I have a lot of favorite things. So comment down below letting me know.
I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling.
66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could
So I typically like to leave my stovetop cleaner for about 30 minutes before I go back in and clean it. So that's why you have seen me move on to other things as I waited. And this stuff really does leave my stovetop super clean and shiny. I love it.
You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you.
So this is my little one. Her name is Adeline and she is 3 years old and she loves to help her mommy, and we have so much fun together. We always dance and have so much fun. And if you watched my last video, which was the part 1 to fall decorating with me, she was there helping me and decorating, and I'm so excited to have this new tradition of Adeline decorating alongside me. She would definitely be making an appearance in all of my decorating videos, you guys. So I wanted to show you guys these really cute pumpkins I got from the Dollar Tree. It brings 3 in a pack for $1.25, of course. And the best thing about these pumpkins is that you can literally clip them to anything. You guys saw the little clip on the back. So you can clip them to your wreaths, you can clip them to your garlands, you can clip them to pretty much anything that you have around the house, or you can literally just rip off the clip and use them like that. I thought this came out so stinking cute, you guys, and it gives such a beautiful touch to my little wreath. So it is time to decorate my tier trays. I have 2 of them. I like to put one on my island and another one on my coffee bar. And I'm just letting Adeline do her thing and just let her be a part of it. Although I'm going to go back and fix everything and kind of play around with the position and the different items I put on here.
Ooh, they will be together. Ooh.
So you're gonna see me change up the things that I put on here and play around with the different items. There are pumpkins that I didn't think looked well with the different signs or vice versa, and I kind of just played around with everything. So I'm pretty sure that's what most people do when they decorate. Just make sure that you like the things together, because some things don't work together the way you want it to. So playing around with it is definitely key until you have it to your liking.
Something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful.
If you're wondering where I get these smaller decoration pieces for my tier trays, I kind of go to different places. I go to the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, definitely Target, Dollar Spot, and even Michael's. And my favorite thing to do is to get the smaller pumpkins from the Dollar Tree and paint them to my liking. Those pink ones I actually painted. I mixed paint. The bottom one I actually spray painted, and the top one I painted. I had mixed some paint to get this really pretty matte finish.
And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know. Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
So I needed to get a new runner because my other one was actually very used. I used it so much and it was really dirty, and it was time to just kind of take a break from that one. So I found that one from Amazon. Also, these placemats were super old and broken, and they just really needed to go. So I also ordered some from Amazon. These are really cute, and I ended up using the same little accent placemats on top.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today and that you like my decorations. I can't wait for you guys to watch part 3 and part 4. I'm gonna be doing my bedroom, my bathroom, and I'm also gonna add little touches to Adeline's playroom. I'm also gonna be posting some DIYs. I'm so excited. They came out super cute. And I'm also gonna be decorating my porch this year for fall. I've never done that, so I can't wait for that. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel get out there. Bye guys. You'll see me on the next video.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and